Gonna take a look at the ZAKU 2 variation. This was my pool dark carbon version ZAKU. Check out my other video for unboxing, time-lapse unboxing. This video, however, just take a closer look at the figure and that's it. Check out its articulation, its form. Yeah, basically that's it. So I'm rifling for my light that is not here, so I'll just see based on what you can see from the room lights here. Figure itself. Is it 3 inch? I don't know, 3 inch maybe? I have no idea. Articulated at the arms. Wrists. I thought this is fun, man. Wrist articulation. I thought this is pretty fun. Although yeah, I can grip. You can see the grip, but there's no what's the word for it? Weapons that came with the figure. Can the elbows turn? No, I can't. It looks as if you can, but it's a solid piece. The leg turns, or at least pivoted, which is cool. Not ball joint. It feels as if it's ball joint, but it's not. But there's no other articulation here. The head turns, which is cool. I like the plastic look here, and the matte black. It would be nice if kind of bit of texture maybe when if I consider putting like talcum powder or something like that, so to see the black stand out. But other than that, you can see the matte surface and the gloss and the print here on the chest, on the torso, lower torso, the back as well. Nice lah. Not bad at all. Can this turn? No, it's fixed. This is fixed. It would be nice if I could attach the decals. The figure does not come with any decals or any weapons, at least not in the box that I opened up with, unless stuff fell out, but I don't see it falling out. Yeah, there it is. Let me see what it says here. Q style design. Initially when I bought this, I was under the disillusion that this was designed by Toma. I'm not sure if it was. I know the Gundam was, and I was looking to snag a few of the Gundam Q versions, and I totally missed out. There were a few, at least a couple of New Year editions that I did not pick up on day one. So when I went on day 2, it's gone. Well, this I still picked it up on day 1, but I didn't pick up the Gundams, which is a bit of a regret. But then again, I mean, I didn't intend to pick this up. I didn't even know this existed here in Singapore, but it did for Singapore Comic Con, and I'm glad it did. The all black colorway reminded me of the Gundam recently released with McDonald's in China, the all black and gold Gundam. So that was pretty darn awesome. So this is my version of getting a black ZAKU instead. Yeah, that's it, and this ends my video for this figure. Yeah, and thank you all for watching. Bye bye.